Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do long division using an easy method. First, understand that long division breaks down complex division problems into simpler steps. It's a systematic approach for dividing larger numbers by smaller ones, especially useful when the divisor has 2 or more digits. We'll cover the 4 main actions: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. This method helps you find the exact quotient and any remainder efficiently. Setting up your long division problem correctly is the first crucial step. Imagine a bus stop symbol. This is where your calculation will take place. The number you are dividing, known as the dividend, goes inside this bus stop structure. The number you are dividing by, called the divisor, sits just outside to the left. This visual arrangement helps keep your work organized and clear throughout the process. Once set up, you begin the core division process. First, divide the initial part of your dividend by the divisor, writing the result, or quotient, directly above. Next, multiply that quotient by your divisor, placing this product underneath the dividend section you just worked with. Finally, subtract this product from the dividend section to determine your current remainder. These 3 steps form the repeating cycle. After subtracting, if there are more digits in your dividend, you'll bring down the very next digit to join your current remainder. This creates a new number, which then becomes the focus for your next round of division. You simply repeat the entire process: divide, multiply, and subtract. Continue these steps until every digit from the original dividend has been brought down and processed, leaving you with your final answer and any remaining value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.